smelled the animal feed. Never fear, I've got this.
Attention all birds! You're breaking school station safety rule number 47. No flying in the classroom.
They're not listening. Siren and lights time! Great idea, Red!
So, no pogo sticks? Just birds?
Don't you worry, Jaden. This is now a pogo stick emergency! Nico, Liza, we've got a delivery disaster. Instead of pogo sticks, I filled the school with animal feed.
You got Faye's delivery? Not good, very bad.
Tell Faye we're coming for the pogo sticks.
Howdy, Faye. I hope you brought a whole heap of grub.
Yeah, because the animals are hungrier than a bear at a honey party.
Then have him step right up, 'cause it's chow time.
Faye, there's been a mix-up with the deliveries. Red got your animal feed.
Well, clickety-clack, how about that? Then what's in my boxcar?